Hey guys, with the recent update for World War II Zombies, they patched a lot of glitches on the Darkest Shore, which is good. I mean, they are really on top of patching these glitches. I'll show you guys which of the ones they have patched and which ones still work. Over here by the Pack-a-Punch, you could go prone, down yourself, and then revive, and you would be out of the map. And then you could jump down into the sub-pin, and there was a really fast spawn rate right here, and you could do all kinds of stuff. This one was really popular, but this one's been patched. You can't do it anymore. Anytime you down yourself by that stick, it just, revives you right back up. You're not going to be wall breaching anymore in that area. I'm sure there's going to be some after patches, and people may even know methods now for getting back into this area, but they're not, releasing it, which is probably a good thing, but I'll definitely let you guys know if anything's found. This next glitch allowed you to get out onto the beach area and run around. It wasn't like super useful, but it was just kind of fun to explore with. You go to this third step here by the Pack-a-Punch area and then just walk up against this wall. You would down yourself, and when you revived, you would be out of the map. Well, this one has been patched. When you revive, it just respawns you over by the Pack-a-Punch. So you're not getting out of the map in this area right here anymore. This next one was probably one of the best wall breaches on this map. You just jump crouch onto this window ledge, down yourself. When you revive, you would be outside of the map, and there was a huge area to explore. Well, this one definitely got patched. You can get up into the windowsill, you can down yourself, but when you revive back into the map. So there's no way you're getting out of the map with these windows. This was a very game-breaking glitch, so it's good that they patched it, but for those of us that got to actually get out and run around out here, it was very cool because we got to see a lot of the stuff that you normally cannot see from inside of the map. There was another glitch like this in the same area, but you needed 2 people to be able to get out of the map, and it was this corner right here. You just go prone and then down yourself, but you have to have someone standing behind you, blocking you, and then when you revive, it would push you out of the map. We tried this several times, and from what I can tell, this one is not working. It just revives you back in the map, and you're not able to get out at all. This next one was a really fun glitch, and you could go underneath the map and kind of explore. I didn't find it too terribly useful, but it seems like they have patched this one as well. This involves the lockdown event in the sub-pin, and basically what you have to do is get this gate to close on you, and this is where the spikes come out of the wall, and you can throw a monkey bomb to, finish feeding the batteries to make the gate close, or just have a player in the pin area, feeding the batteries. And as soon as it's full, then yeah, these spikes are going to come out of the wall and then shove you underneath the map. It looks really cool underneath the map, and we only tried this one time after the update, and what it did was just, push me to the side, and it didn't put me underneath it. So it definitely seems like this method for getting underneath the map is patched, but I think there is an after patch that has been found. I'm not going to be showing you guys that right now, but I am going to show you 3 glitches that are still working on this map. This first one I've posted before, and it is still working. All you have to do is come over here to this ledge and then jump off and then go into prone. You should get stuck on this invisible barrier, and then you just kind of back up a little bit. This is only good if you want to hold just a couple of zombies, or you need to go do something. You cannot have a pile up on you. You will get downed, so it's not, great for trying to go high rounds. You can get multiple people in here with you, but it's a little tricky. This next one was found before the patch, and it's still working, and this one is going to be kind of like a left strafe jump onto a high ledge. You have to run incredibly fast to be able to do this, so I would recommend Stamina Up, and then you have to have the camouflage perk activated along with the mod that I think is called Mobilize. It makes you run really fast when the camouflage is on. You don't have to be a skilled strafe jumper to be able to do this. All you need to be able to do is just run forward and then turn left into that rock, and you're gonna hit this little ledge, and it will just catch you, and you can stop there. This was the first time I ever tried it, and you can see I got it pretty quickly. You just aim for that little pile of rocks there with the grass growing out, and you can hang out there, or you can jump up even further, but you want to be really careful once you are up on that top ledge right there, because you can slide off really easy. But yeah, you can get your whole team up here. The zombies will pile up underneath you, and you can shoot and kill them, but you're not gonna have any access to ammo unless you jump down, and you obviously cannot melee them. You're way too far away. Up here, you will take no damage from any zombie on the map. That includes bombers, whistling, and the assassin. And we couldn't really find a good place for teammates to stand to be safe. There's a door you can leave closed, but there's way too many spawns around it. So yeah, people on the ground just Gotta keep running. There's nowhere for them to be safe. There's a new glitch that has been found after patch, and it still works, and it is ridiculously easy, and I'll show you guys that. It's over in the spawn area, or you get on the minecart. You do have to go to the artillery bunker and turn on the power so that you can access the minecart's, power system, because you need to call in the minecart so that you can open up that first gate. Once that gate is open, you can just do a really easy jump onto that power switch button, and then jump here, and then jump over there. And then what you want to do is crouch, move up against the wall, and then slowly make your way to the end of that rope that's hanging up to that post. This is a spot that you can be safe, or you can go to the other side of the rope to the other post, and you can be safe there as well. All the zombies will pile up underneath you, and you're safe from all of them except for the explosive damage from the bombers, and also the assassin can hit you and definitely get you downed. The whistling do not hurt you, so that's good. The only downside to this glitch is with the ripsaw. You're in a crouched position, and when you're in a crouched position with the ripsaw, it takes away its power. If you have the unupgraded ripsaw, that's the most powerful weapon on this map, because it does have unlimited killing, but you have to be standing to be able to access that bayonet stabbing that is unlimited. When you're crouched, it forces you to do the melee instead of the bayonet stab, so it's not as powerful, and it can pull you off of this rope when you're trying to melee. Other than that, it's a real easy glitch to get in and out of. With 2 players, we went to round 35 without having to jump down, and about this time we started to kind of struggle a little bit with ammo. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.